But I don't.
Can you say again?
Again.
I can't sneeze again.
I can't sneeze again. I don't have any more sneezes left.
There is no more sneezes like myself.
That was good.
I'm very serious. There is not a sneeze left in me. Not a one. I'm telling you.
Felipe is laughing.
Felipe the Phillips head screwdriver is laughing.
And Turner is laughing too.
Turner is laughing too? Turner's the flathead screwdriver.
Is that Philip the screwdriver?
Who is the flathead screwdriver?
What's his name? His name starts with a T, right?
Turner.
Turner. And who's the Phillips head screwdriver? What's his name? His name is Ta Ta Ta? It starts with an F.
Oh, William. William.
Felipe? Yeah.
Oh, William. Oh,
Felipe! Again!
You're such a love. You make my glad heart jump with joy.
Again!
And when
More
you're near, I
sneezes! More
just can't
sneezes!
sit still a
One.
minute. I'm so...
Sometimes, can you say again?
Can you say again?
You say.
Again. I couldn't sneeze again.
Serious, don't. More sneezes
Don't
again.
have any more
William did
sneezes.
it.
It looks like you have all the sneezes now.
Yeah, William got the sneeze.
But see,
Daddy.
I have absolutely no. I don't know where that.
Try not to stomp your feet.
Again. Again.
Again, I'm going to kiss William again. But if I sneeze, well, there's no more sneezes. I'm finished. I'm so sleepy. I couldn't even sneeze if I.
Stop.
Again.